Welcome back. Let's talk about smart upgrades and the building codes. This is where design meets regulations and where many people get stuck. Your goal is to add value without running into unnecessary problems. That's why it's important to know which upgrades are required by code and which ones are not are just a nice to have. Knowing the difference saves you time, money, and stress. Before you start any renovations, you need to know what work requires a permit. In Ontario, Canada, you will need a permit for things like structural changes, like removing load-bearing walls, electrical upgrades, HVAC installation, and any plumbing work. And these are like serious items. And they're not just cosmetic, they affect how safe and functional the house is. Always check with your building department, or better, call a general contractor to confirm. Skipping permits can cost you big, especially when it's time to sell. And when it comes to renovation, some code standards are non-negotiable. They're there for safety, and every flippers need to know them. First, smoke and CO or carbon monoxide detectors. You need one on every floor and outside each bedroom, no exception. Next, GFI outlets or GFCI outlets. These are required in wet areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. They protect people from shock, and inspectors will check for them. Handrails and guards. If your stairs are more than 3 risers, you need a handrail. If a deck or landing is over 24 inches high, you need guards. These are the minimum code requirements, and trust me, missing them can delay your projects or worse, fail an inspection. And then you will have to redo the whole thing again. Now, let's talk about smart upgrades, the kind that catch buyers' eyes and add real value without blowing your budget. First, smart thermostat like Nest or Ecobee not only improve comfort but also cut energy bills. Smart lightings gives homeowner control over ambiance and efficiency. You can set scenes, schedule, or even use voice commands. And smart security system like video doorbells and smart locks makes the home feel safer and more modern. As a flipper or investors, these upgrades are low cost compared to big renos, but they leave a big impression during showings. Buyers today expect home to feel smart. Don't fall behind. Energy efficient upgrades aren't just good for the planet, they're smart for resale and help lower those monthly bills. Windows and insulation. They are your first line of defense. Old windows leak energy, upgrade ones upgrade ones improve comfort and add values. Lighting and appliances. Switching to LED and Energy Star appliances means saving buyers can see. And when they tour your property, they will remember the home that felt cooler, brighter, and quieter. Smart design means thinking ahead. And small mistakes can lead to big problems later. The first one is skipping waterproofing. That's the special layer that keeps water out of your bathroom or basement. No waterproofing, you risk leaks, rot, and mold. No prep work before painting or tiling. then that means not cleaning, priming, or leveling the surface. Bad preparation is equal to poor finish and fast damage. Ignoring ventilation. Every bathroom and kitchen needs an airflow. No fan or window, you will get moisture buildup and mold. And the last one, hiring the cheapest contractor. If they're not licensed or reviewed, you're taking a big risk. Cheap now can mean double the cost later. And thank you. This is it for today, and I will see you guys on the next presentation.